In times like this, when the economy is going zigzag, man must find a way to survive in order not to starve. In this video, I'll be showing you 5 vegetables you need to grow all year round in order not to starve. Hello, if this is your first time of seeing my face on your screen, let me know in the comment section. Do well to subscribe, like and share. So let's get into the video. Number 1 on my list is water leaf. We all know water leaf is a popular vegetable here in Nigeria, and we use it to cook most of our dishes like afang soup, edikaiko soup. So it's very popular, it's very nutritious, it's rich in minerals and vitamins. It is easy to grow all year round. You can grow it direct in the soil, or you can grow it in the sack. You won't give excuse, maybe you do not have a space where you can grow it direct in the soil. You can use the sack to grow your vegetables. So water leaf is very popular and it is easy to grow. You can get the stems from the ones you bought in the market, then use the stems to replant it, or you can also replant it from, you can also plant it direct from the seed. It has a seed. When you get the seed, you break it and sprinkle it wherever you want to grow it, or you get it from where you buy your vegetables in the market. Tell those women to give you the water leaf stems. You can get it from them, or the ones you bought for yourself. So that is the way you can regrow water leaf vegetable. So it's very easy to grow. The second on my list is herbs and spices. We all know in times like this, people want to go natural. People want to cut down the way they eat artificial flavorings and addictive. So people want to go natural. You can plant herbs and spices in your garden, in your balcony. If you do not have space, you can plant them in flower pots or container and place them in your balcony. They do very well. Even in sacks, you can plant them there and it will be perfect. So one of those spices is the popular scent leaves that we all know. You can grow it and it's very easy to grow. Just get the stems and then you plant, or you get the seed. Yes, it has seed and plant. Okay, we have rosemary, thyme. All these herbs and spices, they grow very well. You can have them in your backyard as long as you have means of watering them. You water them all year round. You will keep getting your herbs and spices, your scent leaves, thyme, rosemary, oregano, coriander, all those spices. You can grow them anywhere. Another on my list is bitter leaf. Bitter leaf is very common and important in our dishes. It will help you cut down some cost. It is packed with vitamins and antioxidants. It's very nice to cook with bitter leaf. We have some dishes on its own we cook with bitter leaf. So if you have bitter leaf in your garden, in your backyard, it's going to save you cost. And these vegetables are very easy to grow. Once you get the stem, you transfer it into the soil. Within some time it will regenerate and you will start harvesting your own bitter leaf. The next on my list is the efo and shoko. It is vegetable commonly known by the south regions, although it's not all that popular over here, but people still have them in their backyard. Those who consume it very well, they have it in their backyard. So you don't have any excuse to give as why you will starve when you have an opportunity to plant these vegetables in your balcony, in your small garden. You can plant them in sacks and you can plant them direct in the soil. You do not have excuse to give as why you will starve when you have opportunity and where you can plant these vegetables. So the last on my list is the fluted pumpkin, the ugu vegetable. It is the most important for me because it is being consumed by almost everybody and it is popular everywhere. You can see it in every market. It is easy to grow. You grow it using the seed. It's very easy to grow. You can grow it direct in the soil or you grow it in the sack. It is very easy to grow and maintain, and in no distant time you will start harvesting, and you will also harvest all year round if you keep watering all these vegetables that I mentioned. You will harvest all year round from your backyard. You will not give excuse why you should starve when you have an opportunity to grow vegetables all year round. So planting of ugu will save you some costs. You will have your vegetables all year round. You will harvest as long as you are watering your vegetable. You do not have any problem. So do well to plant these vegetables that I have mentioned in your backyard. This vegetable can also grow in sacks, like the herbs and spices. You can plant them direct in your container. So do well to plant these vegetables. You will harvest within a space of 1 month. You will start harvesting your vegetables. Don't give an excuse why you should starve when there is an opportunity for you to plant some vegetable that will help you to cut down cost. So do well to plant most of these vegetables in your garden. Place them in your balcony like the herbs and spices. Trust me, you will have enough vegetable and it will help you to cut down cost. So if you find value from this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. I have people watching my videos who are not my subscribers. I don't know what you are waiting for. Just hit the subscribe button and join this great community. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.